Righto guys, welcome back to another video. This video is a bit of a different one. I'm not out exploring, but I'm doing a bit of a product review. Right next to me, I have the Flextail Portable Shower. It's a pretty cool, neat bit of product that isn't even released yet. You guys check the bio. There will be a link down there where you can go and check it all out there. But I'm just gonna run through some details today on how cool this little product is. The cool thing about this thing is it's compactable. Yes, it looks big now, but once it's out of water, you can just squish it all down, throw it somewhere, doesn't take up any room at all. It's pretty neat. It's got a nozzle that connects to it. This thing, unlike its competitors, sprays up to 3.5 times bigger than everything else on the market. So it's pretty cool. And the one thing that I love about this is it's purely, this is what you get. You don't need to plug it into the car. You don't need to dump it into a bucket. All you do is fill it up, plug the hose in, turn it on, and you've got a shower. So I'll show you guys that now. As I mentioned, it's 20 liters. Now, you might think that's a bit of weight, and it kind of is, but once it's full of water, you're using it for showers, dishes, surfboards, anything you want, you can rinse it down. So that 20 liters does get a lot lighter. I also mentioned that it's all in one package. So that the pump and everything is in this Flextail shower. So I'll show you guys everything. It's pretty simple. You have USB Type-C right there, and that's where you charge it from. It's all powered, all in-house. So that's it. I can't stress that enough, how compact and easy this little setup is. So once you're done charging, you grab your little nozzle. You just plug it in just like that. And you were just looking at it before without that connected, and you're like, Lane, why is the water not coming out? This little thing here, you just flick that over, and it's a little gate valve that stops the water from coming out when that's not connected. So if you don't use all the water, don't stress, you can just flick that. It's going to stop, and you can store it for the next shower, so you're not wasting water. All you do is you press the power button, and a green light will come on. That means she's ready to go. And then next, it's as simple as this. You just twist and water comes out. So it's adjustable. You can fully close it off. If you want, you can have tiny little baby showers. Or if you're a big boy like me and needs a bit of washing, just crank it right up and you've got that full water coming out, the spread, everything like that is great. So it pumps around 5 liters a minute. So that's plenty of time to have a shower. You can turn it down if you're that conservative to save water if you're on them long trips. I've been all around the country and not once have I ever brought a shower with me. So this thing is a game changer. I will leave a link in the description from Flextail. Make sure you guys check it out. And as always, guys, stay slippery. Yo! Get it, boy. I swallowed that.